Oh, hey guys, it's me and Carter back at the dumpster. Instead of doing the blocks fort, like all these boxes, we're gonna destroy them with my old scooter thing because it broke and we got nothing better to do. So
I've had
see
it
you
for
guys.
like a long time in my
Yeah.
room.
All right, see you guys in there. Again, who wants the Among Us toaster microwave thingy? Whatever. All right, start to break it. Oh my gosh, you almost hit me, bro.
Yeah.
Start whacking on the Among Us. Oh my god! You skinned me! Yo, I don't trust you no more. I don't trust you no more. That scarred me, bro. Start whacking more. Into that whack-a-mole. Alright, bye guys. See you next video.